Um, Yearly naman meron tayong binabago pero hindi naman yung total na na pagbabago sa mga guidelines, house rules, mga minimal lang. Just to, we feel that just to improve the quality of the games and para dun sa mga fans na nakikita natin na lalong ma-excite if we have slight changes on our rules. I don't see it in the next 5 to 10 years siguro na magkaroon ng import kasi ang vision naman talaga ng Liga ni Seth Armani is again to give more exposure sa mga local talents natin. So that's why nabuto yung PBL para dun sa mga players na talagang walang chance na to showcase their talents. And ito yung chance nila. So I don't see it na magkakaroon ng import. You have new 3 expansion teams, Abra, Pangasinan, Interlac. Lahat ko na sa North. Parang yung development ng basketball ngayon is papuntang North. Nakikita natin based na dun sa mga expansion teams natin. Before kasi ng mga time natin, alam mo yung basketball puro south eh. So parang nagsishift na rin to north na yung mga basketball talents na nakikita naman natin. So the league is very excited. Meron tayong new 3 teams and we're happy na itong mga teams na to ay papasok just play basketball. They join the league to win. No, parang yun ang maganda, no? Nagcha-challenge sila, nakikita nila na itong PBL nagiging exciting na to watch. So nandito sila and nag-build talaga sila ng team na para not only to showcase their provinces, their tourism industry, but also they want to play, they want to win. So yun ang naka-excite this season para sa atin. You know, every season naman ng PBL is very exciting to watch. No? Mas lalong naging exciting lang every year because we can see new talents. No? We have new players, we have new young guns, tapos may mga former pro players na bumababa. And the way I see it, this season is lalong tumaas ang level ng talents natin compared to the season. Kaya it's gonna be more exciting dahil alam mo naman yung mga teams, especially dito sa North, talagang very competitive sila. Ayaw talaga rin magpatalo and that's the main reason and the way I see it na magiging exciting ang season na to. Dahil kung mga players and mga team owners na nandito rin sa atin ngayon, kahit expansion team, ay talagang sumasali para talaga manalo. And ang statement nga ni Mayor kanina, siyempre ang parameter nila is Pampanga, dahil defending champion, yun yung target niyang talunin. And of course naman siguro yung mga ibang teams dyan, especially yung mga dalawang expansion, Pangasinan sa Tarlac, ganun din siguro naiisip nila. No, kailangan para maging competitive tayo, tingnan natin itong team ng Pampanga kung kaya natin talunin. And that's normal. No? In any league naman, any sport, lagi dyan ang target yung defending champion.